Great day, everyone. It's Aisha with Spiritually Jeweled. So today I'll be making a bracelet. Right here you see my beading cord, crafting scissors, and then of course my jewelry glue. You'll also need a bead stopper, but it's not mandatory. You can use a paper clip or just leave your beads on the spool. Next, you see I have my beads and I have a ruler. Using a ruler today, no bead board. And then I'm just taking out some accent beads. Now I'm just going to string the beads. Making a very simple design, nothing spectacular. So as you can see, I'm just placing the beads on the beading cord. You may hear some background noise. That is my sister. She is tutoring my son in math, so disregard that. Hey, he still had to study, and we were actually in my workspace, so no problem. So here we go. We are still just beading, still just making the bracelet, putting beads on the beading cord. Right. And we are almost done. Yep. Measuring it out. I do have a little bit of ways to go. So you want to make sure that your bracelet, depending on the wrist size, the average woman's wrist is between a 7 and a 7.5. That's considered a regular size. And I think a large is considered 8 inches. So yeah, so I am making a 7.5-inch bracelet. So as you can see, I just keep measuring it out to make sure it's going to be the appropriate length. And then this cord is stretch cord, so even if it is 7.5, it could fit someone with a slightly larger wrist, maybe a 7 3/4, because the bracelet will stretch. All right, just adding on the last few beads. And next I'm just clipping the cord.